In this video, I'm going to show you how to add size charts pop-up in Shopify. So what you'll have to do is use a theme built-in pop-up if available in your themes. If you go to this list panel once you're logged in and click on Online Shop Store, you will find yourself on the themes page. Here, click on Edit Theme. And as an example, you would like to look for size charts, pop-up link, or something like that. If you go to this theme settings on the left, if you find this right here, that's good. If you didn't, you'll need to use an app instead. So going right here on the list panel, we can go and click on apps and then click on all recommended apps, then click on Shopify App Store at the bottom. So this will open the Shopify App Store. Here you'll have to look for size charts. So you can ignore these ads as example or add apps, and let's just go and look for a free option. Like there are a lot of paid options. You can go and look for a free one like this one, or you can go if you want to pay, an example, a subscription. It's totally up to you. As an example, this app has free to install and 3 published size charts totally for free. So let's just go and install it since it has good rating. And let's wait for the app until it's installed. So once it's installed, just go and click on install as an example. So this MP size charts as an example, this is the app that's what we're going to use. You can use any other app that is here. So maybe you like this one. It has 2 published chart size. This one has, it doesn't say here, so it has 2. Again, it has no watermark and stuff like that. So first of all, I'm going to use this one. So you can go to appearances as an example and enable the app first. Once you click on enable the app, they'll take you to the theme again, and you will have to enable it if it's not enabled. If it's already enabled, just click on save. So they enable it for you, and you can go back right there and click on refresh status. So right here, you'll be able to add this chart or this size chart for you. So of course, it will be a button. You cannot use this drop-down section or button drop-down section because it will require for you to download an app. You'll have to give it a name, and you can choose the icon right here, the button type, how do you want it to appear, and how do you want to appear in desktop and in mobile. So choose any other thing that you want in appearance, then you can click on preview to see how will it look like in mobile and also on desktop. So if you like it as it is, you can go back as an example to manage charts. So right here, we'll have to go and create a chart for us. Let's just do it for the footwear. So I'm just going to add one for men, and I'm just going to keep it as it is. For you, make sure to make all the changes that you need. Also include an image if you have one as example. It accepts PNG and all the known ones. And here, you can edit all the sizes that you have right here, depending on what are you selling. So you can give it a title as an example if you want to, and you can view how will it look on the store's front. For example, it will look something like that. Let's just load for a bit. As you can see, and on the right here, I'll find this size chart. So if I click on it, it will appear like this. So now if you like it, you can just go and click on save at the top, and you should be good to go. Of course, before clicking on save, you can add other blocks if you want to, like some text, some advanced tables, some images if you want to. For tabs and videos, you'll need to upgrade the plan. For this specific app, there are some apps that I'm sure that you will have free options to add all of those stuff. You can search stuff for yourself. For me, I'm just going to click on save and publish, and it should be good to go. If I go now to my store and click on preview, I'm sure that I'm going to find it now into my products. So I go and search any products, click on size charts. As you can see, I find it, and here we are, we have it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.